friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit, and in today's episode we are going to unzip something special. Yes, the car has a special sunshade which has a zip. You have seen these shades in few of the cars and quite popular right now on Amazon. The best benefit of having these nets is protection from the sun. At least 30% is already absorbed by this sunshade. Then the second most important advantage, what I felt, is that this is very child friendly, just because they can't push their hands out of this window even if the glass are open. So this is also acting as a mosquito net. So if you are hanging out in the car at the night, it is impossible to keep your air conditioner on all the time. So whenever we are using these nets, by getting down all the window glass, you will be having this protection from mosquitoes. So there will be very pleasant atmosphere inside. This car has a entire black interior, so mosquitoes have a very joyful environment over here. They can hide anywhere and bite you at their convenience. So all these inconveniences are gone with this mosquito net. This is quite effective. Then we have the third and most important, that is the privacy. I must say it's not complete privacy, but no one is ready to peek in every time in your car. So apart from the windshield, all three sides, and as you can see, the Ciaz already has a sunshade for the rear windscreen. So at least three directions are already covered and will give you the sense of privacy. Even if child is sleeping inside the car and you want to hang out for some time, you can just open up all the glasses. So these were the advantages, and in case you like this product, the purchase links are available in the description. The main question here arises that will it hamper the door sealing or hamper the regular operation of the doors? Definitely it's going to be hampering, but it is in the small fractions, so it will take time to shape up. Unless and until it is getting molded in the shape of door panels, it will make the noise. Sometimes you will get feel of that door is not getting closed properly. So make the local adjustments and you will be definitely loving this product. So that's all for this special episode for the magnetic sunshades. In case you have any doubts about these products, please comment below. The purchase links are also in the description. And thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.